Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Actiloom.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically another one of those scam sites. And as you can see right here, right off the bat, that malware tips exposed Actiloom.com. But before I get into the review, a lot of you guys have been messaging me, and since I can't review every product that you guys send me, I created a guide that teaches you how to do this research yourself. So you can check the description down below for the link. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see right here, this is what the scam overview is. So malware tips goes over the scam overview. So on the surface, Actiloom appears to be a legitimate online retailer selling various discounted items to shoppers at prices significantly lower than major retailers. However, in reality, Actiloom.com is a scam website that engages in deceptive tactics to trick customers into placing orders and handing over their money or sensitive personal information. And as you can see right here, if you actually try and go to Actiloom.com, the site cannot be reached since they already have been, fortunately, taken down. So as you can see, once the victim places orders, these are the things that can happen. Nothing at all, knockoff or inferior substitutes, used damaged goods or tampered goods, or completely wrong items. So they also go over how it operates, so social media advertising, the illusion of a real e-commerce store, fake confirmations, failure to deliver on ordered items, refusal to issue refunds and rinse and repeat, and a lot more. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.